Imagine a world where machines are as intelligent as humans, where they can think, learn, and create on their own. This is the future of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. It is already having a major impact on our lives, and its influence is only going to grow in the years to come. In this video, we will explore the 7 stages of AI, from its humble beginnings to its potential to revolutionize every aspect of our world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, unraveling its evolution through the 7 key stages that have transformed it from a mere concept into an integral part of our daily lives. Stage 1. The genesis of AI. In the vast landscape of technological evolution, the roots of artificial intelligence extend back to the 1950s. This marks the genesis of AI, a time when the concept was more akin to science fiction than a tangible reality. Imagine a world where computers were in their infancy, and the idea of machines exhibiting human-like intelligence was nothing short of revolutionary. During this nascent stage, pioneers like Alan Turing and Marvin Minsky laid the theoretical groundwork for AI. The focus was on creating machines capable of imitating human thought processes, problem-solving, and decision-making. These early visionaries envisioned a future where computers could not only perform complex calculations, but also understand language, learn from experience, and adapt to changing circumstances. However, the road to realizing these aspirations was challenging. The computational power available at the time was minuscule compared to today's standards, limiting the practical implementation of these groundbreaking ideas. The genesis of AI was characterized by a blend of optimism and skepticism, with scientists grappling with the formidable task of transforming theoretical concepts into functional systems. Little did they know that the journey had just begun, and the subsequent stages would usher in transformative advancements that would redefine the very fabric of our technological existence. Stage 2. Rule-based systems. As the technological landscape progressed into the 1960s and 1970s, a pivotal stage in AI's evolution emerged with the advent of rule-based systems. During this era, AI developers began encoding explicit rules into computer programs, instructing machines on how to execute specific tasks. These systems marked a departure from the theoretical musings of the past, bringing AI into the realm of practical application. Rule-based systems were designed to follow predefined instructions, making decisions based on a set of if-then rules. While revolutionary at the time, these systems had limitations. They excelled in well-defined, rule-based environments, but struggled when faced with the complexity and unpredictability of the real world. The challenge lay in crafting exhaustive rule sets that could encompass all possible scenarios, a task that proved daunting as the systems encountered more nuanced and ambiguous situations. Despite their limitations, rule-based systems laid the foundation for subsequent AI developments. They demonstrated that machines could be programmed to perform tasks beyond simple calculations, opening the door to the idea that AI could evolve to handle increasingly complex and dynamic challenges. Little did the pioneers of this era realize that their rule-based approach was just a stepping stone toward the more adaptive and learning-oriented stages that awaited on the AI horizon. Stage 3. Machine learning emerges. The dawn of the 1980s marked a significant turning point in the journey of artificial intelligence with the emergence of machine learning. This stage shifted the paradigm from explicit programming to a more dynamic approach, where machines could learn from data. Instead of relying solely on pre-programmed rules, algorithms were designed to improve performance over time as they processed more information. Machine learning introduced the concept of training models on datasets, allowing computers to recognize patterns and make predictions without being explicitly programmed for each task. This marked a substantial leap forward, enabling AI systems to adapt and evolve without constant human intervention. The ability to generalize knowledge from specific examples paved the way for applications ranging from speech recognition to image classification. During this era, the emphasis shifted from manual rule setting to the development of algorithms that could optimize their own performance through exposure to data. This newfound flexibility allowed AI systems to tackle a broader spectrum of tasks and laid the groundwork for the sophisticated learning capabilities we witness in modern AI applications. Machine learning, with its data-driven approach, set the stage for the transformative stages that would follow, propelling AI into realms that were once deemed the stuff of science fiction. Stage 4. Rise of neural networks. Entering the 1990s, the AI landscape experienced a revolutionary phase with the rise of neural networks. Inspired by the intricate workings of the human brain, neural networks brought a new level of complexity and sophistication to machine learning. This era laid the groundwork for what we now know as deep learning, Neural networks introduced a network of interconnected nodes, or artificial neurons, that could process information in a way that mirrored the human brain's pattern recognition capabilities. This departure from traditional linear models allowed machines to understand and interpret data in a more nuanced manner. The ability to recognize complex patterns and relationships within vast datasets became a hallmark of this stage. The development of backpropagation algorithms further enhanced the training of neural networks, enabling them to learn from their mistakes and improve over time. This iterative learning process marked a significant departure from earlier static approaches, as machines could now refine their understanding through multiple iterations. The rise of neural networks marked a transformative moment, unlocking the potential for machines to tackle intricate tasks such as image and speech recognition with unprecedented accuracy. As we ventured into the late 20th century, the stage was set for the continued evolution of AI, with neural networks at the forefront of a technological renaissance. Stage 5, Big Data and the AI Revolution. The 21st century brought about a seismic shift in the AI landscape with the advent of big data, propelling the technology into uncharted territories. With the proliferation of digital information, AI systems gained access to vast datasets that were previously unimaginable. This influx of data became the fuel that ignited the AI revolution. Big data presented a game-changing synergy with AI, providing the raw materials needed for more accurate predictions and decisions. The marriage of advanced algorithms with massive datasets allowed machines to discern patterns and trends that would have been elusive in a smaller data paradigm. This symbiotic relationship transformed various industries, from healthcare and finance to marketing and beyond. The ability to process and analyze massive datasets ushered in a new era of AI capabilities. Tasks that were once deemed too complex or time-consuming became routine for AI systems operating in a big data environment. Predictive analytics, personalized recommendations, and real-time decision-making became not just possible, but essential in a world inundated with information. As we navigated through this stage, the data-driven renaissance laid the groundwork for unprecedented advancements, setting the stage for AI to become an integral part of our daily lives. The big data and AI synergy became a driving force behind innovations that continue to shape the technological landscape we inhabit today. Stage 6, Artificial General Intelligence, AGI Aspiration. Stepping into the present day, the focus within the AI community has shifted towards the ambitious goal of achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI represents a form of intelligence that transcends narrow, task-specific abilities, mirroring the versatility and adaptability of human cognition across a diverse range of tasks. While current AI systems excel in specialized domains, achieving true AGI remains an ongoing challenge. Researchers and developers aspire to create machines that not only perform specific tasks efficiently, but also possess the capacity to generalize knowledge and apply learned concepts to unfamiliar scenarios. This shift from narrow AI to AGI marks a profound evolution in the field. AGI aims to bridge the gap between human and artificial intelligence, enabling machines to understand, learn, and adapt across various domains without the need for explicit programming. The journey towards AGI involves grappling with complex questions of cognition, consciousness, and the nature of human intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. In this aspirational stage, the AI community is not only advancing technological capabilities, but also confronting ethical considerations and societal implications. The pursuit of AGI prompts us to ponder not only what machines can do, but also what responsibilities come with creating highly intelligent, autonomous systems. As we stand on the cusp of the next technological frontier, the journey towards AGI unfolds as a testament to our collective desire to push the limits of artificial intelligence. Stage 7. The Future Horizon, Ethical AI and Conscious Machines. As we peer into the future of AI, ethical considerations take center stage. The integration of artificial intelligence into various facets of our lives prompts critical reflections on the responsible development and deployment of these technologies. Questions surrounding privacy, bias, and accountability become paramount, challenging us to build AI systems that not only excel in performance, but also adhere to ethical principles. Moreover, the concept of conscious machines looms on the horizon. Researchers delve into the intriguing realm of endowing machines with a form of consciousness, sparking philosophical debates about the nature of intelligence and the implications of creating self-aware entities. While we are far from machines possessing true consciousness, the exploration of this frontier poses profound questions about the ethical treatment of AI entities and the responsibilities we bear as creators. Navigating this uncharted territory requires a delicate balance between technological innovation and ethical safeguards. As AI becomes increasingly intertwined with our daily lives, the emphasis on transparency, accountability, and fairness becomes pivotal. The choices we make today in the development of AI will shape the trajectory of future technological landscapes, urging us to approach the integration of AI with a thoughtful and ethical mindset. The 7 stages of artificial intelligence trace a remarkable journey from the theoretical roots of the 1950s to the current pursuit of artificial general intelligence. As we unravel the intricate tapestry of artificial intelligence's evolution, if you found this exploration intriguing and want to stay updated on the latest in tech and AI, don't forget to like and share this video with fellow enthusiasts, sparking conversations on the fascinating world of AI. Are there specific AI topics you'd like us to look further into? Leave your suggestions in the comments section. Your engagement fuels our quest to demystify technology and inspire a deeper understanding of the ever-evolving AI landscape. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the 7 stages of AI. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge.